wine here by John Bon Jovi, but I've got some different wine here. I got Hampton and Water by On Bon Ovi. Did they have Bon Jovi in the fridge? Bring him home and the book. I know it's some kind of rare mushroom. I found it. Whose balcony is this? A smoke ring. It's a margarita though. It's smoke in my nose. You do it. You do it. You do it. I'm not bragging, but we're cheap. Okay. Well, different drink.
He's sweet, he's sweet. I know you won't use that. I'm just saying.
This is not going to end well. There's a wine here, Hampton Water by John Bon Jovi. It's a rosé, $11 a glass or $55 a bottle. But I've got some different wine here. I got Hampton Water by On Bon Ovi. Not Bon Jovi. Maybe it's a cousin, Bon Ovi. I got you now. Thanks, Dad.
All right, it's a beautiful day.
It is.
Welcome to the Jamie's Italia. My name is Dan. I'm going to be your server.
Oh, it must be a good restaurant. All the officers eat here. This has happened twice now. The last time we came here, we started our dinner outside and it rained. And now, we had lunch outside and it's raining. We had to move inside, but when you're inside, we sat by the window and you get all these Jamie Oliver books. Apparently they're souvenirs, you can take them home. Right? Are they souvenirs, these books? These books are souvenirs, right?
You can bring this one also.
And I can bring you too? Bring him home and the book. You have to make your own tomato paste with these cans. And scoping out the wine. I think looking at Bon Jovi's wine. Did they have Bon Jovi in the fridge?
It didn't say.
No Bon Jovi?
It didn't say his name on the bottle.
Oh.
Very strange.
All right. Well, we know what the cans are for. Very nice. Thank you, Jamie.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. We've got the burrata, bruschetta, and the meat plate, meat board, charcuterie board. This burrata. That is really good. What do you think of the burrata, Jane?
It's very good. Garlicky, sweet, cold, which I, for some reason, thought it was going to be.
That'd be room temperature.
Yeah, but it's nice. Beautiful.
What's the sweetness? I don't know what the sweetness is.
I think it's honey.
Honey?
I think so.
And then some walnuts and is that balsamic glaze, maybe?
I'm not sure.
Oh, it was good though, right? We were just talking about the burrata cheese, and Jane mentioned that it has truffle oil on it. I don't know what truffle oil is supposed to taste like. I know it's some kind of rare mushroom, but if you know what it's supposed to taste like, put a comment below. But we think it tastes kind of sweet and rich, maybe? Is that right? Hold on. Like sweet and rich, maybe?
I think very rich. I'm not sure if truffle is generally sweet when it's rich.
Oh, okay.
It all blends, all the flavors are
Oh, I see.
wonderful.
So either way, that truffle's not there anymore. It's gone in my belly. I kind of did a number on this meat tray too. And the bruschetta. Wine. Perfect, thank you.
Wonderful, thank you.
My goodness. This is a lunch portion lasagna. It's kind of a spicy broccoli. And a penne alla vodka. And of course the wine. And an arugula salad. So I have the vodka penne arrabbiata because I like vodka, I like penne, and I like arrabbiata. Fish drink. That's just perfect. Got a little spicy kick on the end, but the tomato sauce is delicious. Very fresh, really nice. Like it. It's good. We also have this spicy broccoli. It's kind of charred, with a little bit of spice to it. Tastes really good, like it would be on the barbecue at home. That's what it kind of tastes like. Nice. Thumbs up. It's good?
Yes, it's very good. Nice and crispy, soft at the same time. It's very nice.
Good. The other thing I might add is that the temperature is hot. And a lot of times we get cruise food, or any restaurants actually sometimes. It's mediocre or warm, but this is really hot. So nice and fresh out of the oven. Homemade pasta, excellent taste, textures. Highly recommend this. And this restaurant, got it on sale too. It was a lunch special and we got it for half price. We got that pre-cruise. So always look at your cruise planner to see if it comes on sale and make a date when you want to come to Jamie's for lunch. Pretty nice. And the cheesecake looks beautiful. And of course I got tiramisu, handmade by the chef. And all tiramisus are different. Finished watching the Aqua show. I found a duck. Keep on or hide, you decide. Commanding heaven. Just come out to the ocean to watch the sunset on our private balcony. As many of you may know, if you've watched this video, we don't have a balcony. We have an interior Central Park view balcony. So where are we now? Whose balcony is this? And why have they loaned it to us? If you really want to know, watch the video from our previous Symphony of the Seas cruise. So I'll mark it up top or mark it down below and you'll find out where these secret spots are. Sunset seats, free to you to use. Where is the secret balcony? Where? Comment below if you know. Cheers. Something's going on with the elevators. We're trying to get an elevator. We walked into one. They all say medical service. That one says priority service. And that one down there says medical service. And we just got in this one. It said the same thing when it came up. To our floor, opened up, and then it wouldn't let us hit a button to go down. What is going on? Okay, we're going to try it again. Same elevator. We came to Wonderland to have a drink, special drink. Your dress matches all the lights behind you. That's nice.
Good.
What does it taste like?
It tastes like a blue martini.
It's a margarita, though. A new martini. What's that mean?
Blue martini.
Oh, a blue martini. So like a blue margarita, basically. What's in that thing? Belvedere pink grapefruit vodka. Is that what you had? No. You had this, white Rabita. You had the white Rabita. Rabita? Rabbit Rita. Rabbiata. Just like from Italian. It's good? Tastes like a margarita, a blue margarita, right? Yeah.
It's very nice.
Nice. And I'm going to have a smoke ring.
I think you'd like it.
It's got a brandy glass. Making the smoke. They like this smoker. You think you got it lit, and it isn't working. So when things don't work, oh my God, kids. When things don't work, you hit them, you bang them until they work. Well, here comes the smoke. He's got it working. See it? When you hit things, they work better. Is it a shake? And presentation. There we go. Look at that. We should have done that in slow motion. Thank you. Oh, I can smell it. Wow. Here, you taste it.
I don't.
Taste it before me. You like brandy. You like brandy. You taste. You do it. You do it. You do it. Drink it. Oh, you want more? Okay. Are you trading with me?
No, just try it.
Okay. All right. Here goes. Oh, I just choked in the smoke. I'll try that one again. Oh, but it's kind of nice. So we're out of our free drinks for the day. We have 5 free drinks today, up to $14. So I got a smoke ring and a white burrito. They were 14 each, 28, and the gratuity's $5. So keep that in mind when you're buying things at $33.04 for 2 drinks, US, not Canadian, as we're used to. That's quite a hefty bill for a couple of drinks. This one I highly recommend because it's very unique. This one just tastes like a regular blue margarita. Agreed?
Yeah, you can get this, you know, at the pool bar.
Yeah.
This is a special, like, very tasty.
Yeah, that's very tasty.
different-
Very tasty.
Yeah.
Yeah, I would recommend that one. So the 4 drinks you can try are Down the Rabbit Hole, Belvedere Pink Grapefruit Vodka, Saint Germain, Lemon Juice, a splash of sparkling wine with your choice of a red or blue pill. I'm not sure what that looks like. The second drink here is the Smoke Rings, which is the Rittenhouse Rye Whiskey, sweet vermouth, maple syrup, and Angostura bitters, smoked and served tableside, which is what we saw. The White Barbarita, which Jane has, Patron Tequila, Cointreau, Blue Curacao, fresh juice, and salt foam. And the foam dissipates quite quickly. Cheshire Cat Cosmo, did see that being poured. It was a Grey Goose vodka, Cointreau, fresh lime juice, cranberry juice, raspberry, and cotton candy. So as they put the cotton candy in the Cosmo glass first, and then pour the juice over top, and it dissolves. Are those your 4 drinks? Here at Wonderland, and you don't have to have a reservation to come here. You can just come and sit at the bar.
Well, I think it's kind of a quiet little area that you wouldn't think to come for a drink. Different drink.
I don't know.
Yeah.
I think it's busy pre-dinner.
You don't think to come here for a drink.
No?
Good.
Okay.
For a different drink.
Okay. Well, different drink.
I know you won't use that.
So another little tip, you're at the bar in Wonderland, come over around the corner here, and there's these chairs, and you can sit here. Where the balcony is, kind of get this view of the dining room down below. There's no tables here, it's just part of the bar. You just come and have a drink and sit here. Quite nice.
The city, London. The chase is on as we take you to 1977.
Since we had such a large lunch at Jamie's Italian, we thought we'd just pop in here, grab a pizza, and then head over to Copper and Kettle for a quick bite. Keep the night going. So we got our 50% off beers, half price beer, because we're Diamond Plus. We're not bragging, but we're cheap.
Very cheap.
Very cheap, because we used our 5 today. One more day before we lose our 5s, but we still have one more 50% off. It's awesome. Newcastle Brown and a fruity IPA. Cheers. This is not going to end well, you can tell. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and hit that notification bell so you'll be notified of future videos. share it with somebody you like, and don't forget, stay safe and be nice to each other.